Want to be part of a cutting-edge and award-winning program? The Department of Public Works and Environmental Services Capital Facilities Program may be just the right fit for you. When it comes to design, construction, and sustainability, Capital Facilities is an industry leader. We design, construct, and acquire land rights for a wide variety of Fairfax County buildings, such as fire stations, police stations, and libraries, as well as wastewater, stormwater, and walkway projects. From start to finish, the work on these projects is performed by our incredibly talented team of dedicated professionals who make up the diverse service-oriented workforce of DPWES. As one department, Public Works and Environmental Services provides a great mix of work-life balance that enables you to help us create and preserve a sustainable community while still spending time with your family and friends. Your community is calling you to be a part of our mission. Be the change with the DPWES Capital Facilities Program. Apply now.